Hey guys, welcome to Top 9 Info. Today I'm going to give you 9 health benefits of mint. Point number 1. Aids in proper digestion. Eating fresh mint leaves or any dish with this herb can help stimulate the salivary glands in your mouth and trigger the glands responsible for increased bile secretion that aids in faster digestion. Point number 2. Treats dizziness, nausea and headache. Mint has anesthetic and anti-inflammatory qualities that can effectively treat dizziness, nausea and headache. Point number 3. Treat nasal congestion. Inhaling the steam of boiled mint leaves help reduce certain symptoms of asthma and the common cold. Point number 4. Improves dental health. Chewing on mint leaves is helpful in alleviating pain caused by toothaches. Point number 5. Colic in infants. Mint leaves contain simethicone, which calms the body and prevents it from crying inconsolably for hours. Point number 6. Improves blood circulation. As soon as you inhale the vapor of boiled mint leaves or its. Point number 7. Relieves muscle pain. Mint leaves can be used to relieve muscle pain because it contains antispasmodic agents. Point number 8. Skin care. Mint has vitamin E and vitamin D, which helps promote skin rejuvenation. Point number 9. Promotes eye health. Mint has vitamin A, which is vital in maintaining the proper function of the eyes.